Hi, I'm Brittany Montez, and this is the Orlando Health News Review for June 17th. Orlando Health Women's Pavilion, Winter Park has opened its doors to provide a new healthcare experience exclusively for women. Located near the intersection of Fairbanks Avenue and Orlando Avenue, this is Orlando Health's first location within the city of Winter Park and the 9th such facility in 4 counties.
It's such a powerful moment when you stand in a room of female physicians who are here to serve the community, but especially the women in our community. And so we're very excited to bring something to the community that's centered around women's resilience, women's well-being, and women's health. It's a one-stop shop. We have women's imaging here. You can come in for a mammography. We have warm robes for you. We have a nice waiting area for our women. We have a lab, so you don't have to be inconvenienced with going anywhere else. So it's a very comprehensive platform, and it looks like a spa.
And last week was 4 years since the Pulse Nightclub tragedy, and Orlando Health team members and physicians came together and observed a 49-second time of silence to remember each of the lives taken on June 12, 2016. Orlando Health ORMC Chief Surgical Quality Officer Dr. Cheatham spoke about this defining moment in Orlando Health history.
Looking back to that day, I believe that we would all agree that that morning was a true defining moment for Orlando Health. In the midst of the confusion, the horror, and the loss that our community experienced that morning, our physicians and team members displayed courage, strength in supporting our patients and each other on that morning.
And Orlando Health South Seminole Hospital has a new entrance, lobby, and gift shop that opened recently, followed by the newly renovated cath lab space.
It is very nice to be able to, again, communicate to your community who has said it's so awesome the level of investments that Orlando Health continues to make in Seminole County in this particular area. And again, when you're able to have that first impression, walk up onto our campus, again, we have a lot of folks that have never been here before. So as they first enter in here and they come into this nice, beautiful, warm, inviting space, it just automatically kind of puts them into ease, and they know that they're entering into a facility that's going to take great care of them. So again, very exciting for our team members. And so now having the ability for the first time ever in Seminole County to have 2 cath labs, to build a STEMI program, the feedback that we've received from EMS, they're going to be able to take patients here. Again, we're doing what we need to do to serve our community and beyond, and it's very, very exciting. We're going to continue to work closely with all of the other Orlando Health facilities, just as we always have done. But there's patients that in the past would have had to go all the way downtown for their care, and now they're going to be able to be effectively treated right here in Seminole County, which we're excited about.
Feels really, really good when somebody comes in, they're struggling, they're in pain, they're scared. To see them come out of it and feel better and do better, and then we hear from the physicians and their follow-ups that they had a great experience at South Seminole, and they tell us how much better they're doing. And I would lay down on the table if I had to right now, and I wouldn't even hesitate. And I'm really proud that we're able to expand our services and offer that kind of specialized care that we're used to having to travel for, and you don't have to do that anymore.
And soon the Customer Experience team will launch Orlando Health's first ever Customer Experience Management, or CEM, platform with NRC Health on July 1st.
For team members, what'll be new to them is they're going to get feedback closer to the event. So instead of waiting 6 weeks, it'll be a matter of hours really before a customer is invited to take a survey. And then the interface that they'll be looking at to deliver that feedback is going to be much more user-friendly.
Well, that's it for today's edition of the Orlando Health News Review. See you next week.